Hi, Crystal here from Space to Love, and this is going to be a quick tip video, just how to organize a bottom cabinet in your kitchen, especially when you only have a half shelf. If you have one of those, I know they're a little problematic. So we're not going to get rid of anything today. We're actually just going to use some tools to help them stay organized and make it a little bit easier to get in here and get what they need and actually see everything that they have, which I think is really important. So I did a little run to Target and I got one of these, which I like because this is really helpful to organize your pans. And then of course, I don't know if you have these, but for lids, they're amazing. And then I just got some cute little baskets, of course. This will be maybe for some to-go items, maybe the baking items that they have in here. We're gonna take everything out, see what works best where, and hopefully get them organized. Okay, we are back, and okay, so many different things happened while I was trying to organize this. And actually I wanna share them with you because these are a lot of things that my clients talk about too. Well, one thing I did actually add a hook in here, and just putting that up there like that was easy, using that vertical space and kind of gave you a little more room down here, which was nice. But I know that I mentioned this because I was like, oh, this is so great for lids, but actually they only had 2 lids. So I ended up just putting them here in the basket. So we really didn't even need this other organizing tool. A lot of my clients say, oh, before you get here, what organizing tools should I get? Are you gonna bring stuff over so we can just, keep on rolling? And I always say, you know what, let's hold off on getting the organizing tools just yet. Let me come over, let's do a little decluttering, let's see what you have, and then I can come up with what you'd actually need to get you organized. And this is a perfect example because I just went and got stuff. I didn't really know what was in here. And so now I'm gonna have to go return that, which isn't the end of the world, but still it's just one extra step that I didn't really need to do. And so we did also, the other thing I said is we're not gonna get rid of anything, but to make this more organized, I really did. She had a tea set that was in a box and it was more Christmas and holiday. So I decided to not have it stored in here. This is considered prime real estate. She's only gonna be using that a few times a year. I'm gonna go ahead and put that with her holiday stuff. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Things that you're not using every day, we really don't want in this area. And what I also like about this with the baskets, we can pull this out and then she can get whatever she needs behind it. So it's really just a 1-2 step to make it really simple. And the same thing with up there, all of her to-go stuff. She can just pull that basket out, put it on the counter, get what she needs, and then puts it back. So I think this actually worked out really well, just using these few items to help her get organized and hopefully stay organized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. And if you want to see more tips like this, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. All right, until next time,